chicken fried barbecue. For this recipe you need 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 100 grams of chicken, 1/4 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Now grab a medium sized transparent bowl, add your 100 grams of chicken in. Now take your 1/4 cup of flour, add that into the mix. Now grab your 1 tablespoon of baking powder to the mix. Next, now give your half tablespoon of salt in. Now add your half tablespoon of chili powder in. Now add your last tablespoon of soya sauce in, and then finally mix it well. If your chicken is too dry, you can add 1 tablespoon of water to make it a bit wet, and otherwise than that it should look like this. Now cover it up and let it stay there for 30 minutes. Now take a pan, put 1.5 cups of oil in it. Make sure it's non-stick and it's gray in color. Set the temperature up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and let it start to get a bit warm. Get the chicken and slowly put it into the pan, and make sure you don't burn yourself while doing this because lots of stuff happen. After putting them all in, it should look like this. Okay, so it should look like this, and let them cook for a few minutes. They'll get golden brownish and they'll gain a crispy surface. Then we'll have to barbecue them. After 5 minutes they should look like this, and it should be ready for making it into a barbecue. 1/3 cup of yellow and green capsicum mixed together, and then put them in the hot boiling water which you have to make. 1 minute, for 1 single minute at 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So basically I just stole a piece of chicken from there, so I just want to show you how crispy it is. Just hear this. Top cake, very crispy, very tasty. It should look like this on the inside, brown on the outside. It's perfect. After a minute of boiling, it should look something like this. It will lose a bit of its color and it should be perfect. Just a minute. Now take chopped cabbages, 1/4 cup as measurement, and then just plop them in the water for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds the cabbage should look like this when you pull it out. So yeah, now get a few carrots, 2 tablespoons of carrots. Huzzah, look, they just popped up in my hand out of nowhere. And now put them in the water for around a minute. Just dump them all in. 1 minute. So after a minute of boiling of the carrots, they should look like this. They will lose a bit of color, as you can see. And yep, now we should have all our ingredients ready. We need hotdog buns. Very weird for sandwich, I know. We have some butter, the boiled carrots, the boiled cabbages, the boiled capsicum, some chili sauce which my mom made, or you can buy it from the store. We have a chicken. We have 1 entire onion, cut them into small rings like this. We have then half the tomato, then half of lemon, and then the chili paste. We have the barbecue sauce which you need, something called chaat masala. You have to buy this from the store. Then as usual we have our main ingredient, HEINZ tomato. Yes, I have 3 hands. I'm holding the phone with 1 hand, and then yeah, I have 3 hands, don't ask me. And that should be 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce, something I don't know. Then just pop that into another bowl. It has to be white on the inside and yellow on the outside as usual, and it has to have this type of decoration, exactly like this. Now get 1 tablespoon of our main ingredient, HEINZ tomato ketchup. It has to be HEINZ, okay man? If it's not HEINZ, it's wrong. Because I want my tongue to die, so I grabbed half tablespoon of this chili thing my mom made. Just plop that in. Take 1/3 tablespoon of chaat masala or whatever it is called in your country. Then plop that into. Now grab the lemon and plop that into, like not the entire lemon, the lemon juice. Okay, the lemon juice, not the entire lemon. Mix that well, make sure it is distributed evenly, all of the things, and it should form a paste like this. Now add all of the chicken in and then mix it well. Now also add the vegetables in. First of all, it's your wish in which order you want to go. We are going cabbage first. Second we are going capsicum. Pop that in. Then carrots. And then finally the tomato and the onion. After mixing this, it should smell like the Lay's pizza, you know that one, the smell of that, and it should taste like Subway, the vegetable itself without the bread. Okay, it's amazing. After buttering all the breads like the wizard you are, put the mixture on them. So now it should look something along the lines of this. Very nice, and now it should look like this. So yeah.